What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo, back at it with another banger. It's been forever, and I do apologize, but it's finally summer. No more excuses, no school. So, without further ado, let's get straight to it. Today, what we'll be doing is we'll be changing the headlights on this bad boy, the GSXR 750 to '07. I think I've had it for a year now, so I mean, should be pretty straightforward. See, the only turn it on, obviously. No response to the headlight. Gotta change that. But should be quick and simple. We'll go ahead and get straight to it. First thing we need to do is take that Allen wrench out right there. You gotta grab the 5/32. If you got the metric, go ahead and just take that out. Once you get the screw out, there's this like black thing on the right side, right under the speedometer. You just want to push the thing. It's like almost like a push button lock. You just want to put your finger on it and just push it out from there. Should be pretty simple. As you can see, I guess I didn't have to loosen that screw, so I'll tighten that back up later, or I didn't have to take out those red things. All you had to do is just take out that one part right there, and then that's pretty much the headlight right there. Just grab that out. Fucking working on cars, dude. Fucking hell. How about me working on my bike? Fuck your bike too, man. You gotta take off this plastic part. You already know. Fuck. Remove that clip. Voila. Go to your nearest place that sells these, get yourself a bad boy, and I'll see you on the bet. Alright, so just picked up the new headlight. This is what it is, 875, I can leave a cutover or something in the description. And then, so yeah, let's open this bad boy. And let's just get straight to it, you know? I didn't get the most fanciest one. I just got the basic one. I don't really be driving at night like that, so I just need something to get the job done. You feel me? They say it's not good to touch the actual light bulb, so, but yeah. Ooh, good catch. So step one, make sure you connect that shit before you wet one. Get that inserted in there. Obviously I'm gonna make sure it turns on, so, oh yeah, we got light. We got light. Okay, so now, second part is pretty simple. Just go ahead, get this in there. All right, so with the new headlight, you wanna grab this piece that you took off from the bike, put it in here. Make sure that thing lined up. Then you want to just go ahead, throw that into there. There's this metal clip, if you see right there, metal clip that you want to clip it on to once you get this in. So make sure that gets in first. Make sure it's on the right side first of all. This side, like this little rivet part right here, goes right on the top part. Make sure that gets in. Pretty much should be snug. Okay, just make sure that's straight up. Nothing, no other action. Looks good to me. Now you get the metal clip on. Oh my gosh. When I tell you I had the worst time trying to get that metal clip on, bro. I kid you not, that shit took at least 5-10 minutes just trying to move it around, trying to figure out where the hell it goes. I mean, like, I got it on end of the day, but it shouldn't have taken that long. Let's just keep it that simple. But it's whatever. I guess it's a learning process. Sometimes you just gotta learn. And yeah, that's pretty much it around this part. Once you got that black thing in, it's pretty much snug. Then rubber grommet, or whatever you call it, rubber circular thing. Make sure shit lines up. Da 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 da. Come on, man. Hate this. Man, bikes are just so small to fucking work on. Fucking A.
No fucking way. You're still working on it.
Motherhanun.com.
Bro, it's really not that hard.
There's a clip.
Yeah, it's not that hard. How many times have I done it on my bike?
You changed it.
Yeah, you want me to do it for you?
It's too late.
I'll show you how it's done.
It's already done. It is already done.
Let me see it. There you go.
Does it actually look on straight? Oh yeah,
No,
it does.
It doesn't matter if it's straight or not.
Yeah, I know it doesn't.
Bro, I was liking it without the headlight, bro. I got off the highway doing some ridiculous speed, cutting off traffic. Zoop, I killed the light right away.
It doesn't kill it. You the one that burnt it?
No!
Huh.
Because you know how you have it on high beam?
Yeah.
I turned it off. It was nighttime when I was driving. Turned it off. Bravo 6.
Oh. Make sure that part lines up into there. It's a little thing, like a clip almost, like a rubber clip. Just clip on there. Da 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 da. And the last but not least, get your screw on. Voila. Hey. Oh shit, I can't see. Hey Siri, turn on flashlight. Okay. And now, moment of truth. Dun 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 dun. We got light. Actually, that's the low beam one that we just replaced. High beam one's working like a beauty, so no reason to change it. And just like that, YouTube, it's a wrap. I mean, overall, I'd say you probably need maybe 30 minutes if you know what you're doing. At most 40, I guess. Shouldn't take too long. Pretty quick and simple. Just make sure you get that part before you start. And then, what else would I say? Just that metal clip part, obviously, that shit was weird. Just make sure you don't forget that little black plastic clip from the bike, just to add that part to it. And then, yeah. Pretty simple, but the only thing I can say right now is summer started. We got a lot more content coming out, so yeah, no more excuses. Been slacking, obviously, but all right. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like if you guys want to see more of the bike content, and comment down below if you want to see anything else. But other than that, catch you on the flip.